Hey, how's it going, Twitter? My name's Peter Day. I'm just going to demo this package cooker, which I've been writing on about for like absolutely forever. It's so great. I'm so super proud of it, and I just want to show you what it looks like and how it works. So I'm going to create a new Laravel project by typing in Laravel new example. Just create the brand new example application, and it's already within the sites folder which I've got set up, which I am pointing valet to. We can verify that that's worked by typing in example test. There we go. Fresh Laravel install. And I'm going to cd into that and type composer require generic milk cooker to install a fresh copy of cooker. So in a nutshell, what cooker does is cooker configures things like less, JavaScript, SCSS, Sass, style, whatever you want, and makes it a really nice experience to build and bring together all component files to make it work super, super nice. So if I now verify that that is set up by running a cooker cook, A, by the way, is just a shorthand I've got for PHP Artisan. And it's going to ask if I need to initialize. I'm going to type yes. And it's installed cooker. Okay. Now, by doing this, it's going to have removed the folders by default. So if I go to the example I've created, it's going to remove some of the example Laravel files here. And by default, it gets set up with less. So now all I have to run is cooker cook. And you can see right away we need to create some files. So I'm going to go into here, cleanup.less here. I'm going to do, let's say, a body background color red, let's say. And in JavaScript, I'm going to create a app.js. I'm going to do var app boot. I'm just going to alert howdy. There we go. So we can see that that's simply done. And then you notice how straight away that this is far easier to read and understand than a traditional NPM output, which may just like spew code completely over the screen and just leave you being a bit like, oh, I don't even know where to begin. So now that I've fixed these missing files, because the files are not found, hit run, great, cooked okay too. And we can verify that by going into the public folder. There's a new build directory, and it's created JavaScript here with jQuery loaded by default as per the settings, and Tailwind at the top here with right at the bottom our body background red. And we can configure the config file here to choose external CDN URLs to pull in different CSS or JavaScript files. We can extend different JavaScript files as well. So if I want to extend down to, let's say, other.js, and I load in new file, other.js here, and we're going to do app.other is equal to there, boot, and alert. We'll call this howdy2. And then what we can do in here, we can literally just do .other.boot. Nice and easy. And then by rerunning cooker, it's compiled the fresh files here, and you can see that it's loaded in the app.other object. And I can verify this by, if I change up this page a little bit here, so you get rid of the default stylings. And I'm going to add one of our helpers here for app.css and another for app.js. And this is just a quick helper function that will load in those files and will attach some timestamps to help for debugging. And you can see that we've loaded howdy2 there. Nice and easy, straight into there. And if I add some body, howdy again, there we go. Nice and easy, very easy to load up, like so. So yeah, and I'm sure if I change the importance on that to important, because we're already loading Tailwind on top of this, run the update on that, and then choose there. or you get the idea. But yeah, that's basically Cooker in a nutshell. If I conk out the preload of Tailwind, just make this exclusively raw. There we go. There's our red. There's our red. So yeah, that's basically Cooker in a nutshell. You can see that those helpers have put in nice, easy to follow canonical URLs to the CSS and JavaScript files, and it's also attached a build stamp as well to it. So as I make changes, it will update them on production. So it will minify things down to a hash of the contents, and on development mode when app.config debug is true, then it will literally just change that to a timestamp. So as you're making changes, obviously you want those things to update and to forego caching in the browser. So that's Cooker. If you have any questions, please let me know. This may not fit on Twitter, but I will do my best to try and chunk it up, and hopefully this will fit. Yeah, please give it a go. GitHub.com/genericmilk/cooker. Let me know your thoughts on how you find this, and I'd love to make this better for you. So yeah, let me know. Cheers, guys.